All right, here we go. What stage is he in? All right, side of the vehicle. Very common pattern. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Very common pattern. I'm sorry. Okay.
That's all right. You gotta make sure to look, man.
Inattentional blindness, remember? Motion-induced blindness also.
That was this close.
That's really what it is. So we're in town. What stage should he be? What stage should you be? Right here. So we have all of this right here. So we have all this traffic. We have the side of the vehicle. It should go into orange stage because of the pattern that we see. Okay, remember, we're focusing on speeding, positioning, ego. I don't think there's an ego thing here. I think the positioning is okay. We got a nice space cushion off to the right. Speeding, too fast, too slow. I don't think he was speeding. So actually, it kind of does make a huge point and difference if we are in white stage, brown stage, whatever. So right here, I think we should be in orange stage, focusing on that side of the vehicle. Now, when we do this, where should we be going? So that vehicle is obviously coming out. We're not in that lane, so that's good. We're a good position here. So we could actually move and swerve left if we had to, which is what he does. You hear the little of that skidding. That is that rear tire, maybe the front tire, but definitely some braking. But if you take a look, you could see that we only needed so much room. Okay, take a look at where he stopped. Thankfully, he did stop. But if he didn't stop, what could you do? You could easily swerve over into oncoming traffic. There's no traffic. That's why you need to orient yourself pretty well. But he's doing a good job finding that escape path. So overall, pretty good job. It's just one of those situations. Now, right there, I kind of want to point out is that he almost dropped the bike because he was so focused on, now it's that ego of, I need to tell you what happened. I need to tell you what you did to me. This right here could be a secondary incident. Once if there's somebody behind you, boom, clipped you because you stopped, dropped the bike. You can't even use your vehicle to get out of the situation. You're not going to be able to educate them. This guy was very apologetic. I just really wanted to focus on this spot right here, okay? So you could definitely find an escape path through there or go here, okay? So notice how there's no one here at all. You could go into oncoming traffic real quick, but make sure you get back in.